Well, my friends, here we are. Good morning. We're at the beach again. It's our happy place. You know, I have two happy places. There's two places I'd rather spend my time if I have a choice. One is in my home office before dawn, and two is here at the beach after dawn. That's what I like to do. That's where I like to spend my time. So today we're going to take the kayak out, my little 8-foot kayak, sit on top. We're going to go out and play in the ocean. We're going to pretend we're a fish or a dolphin or a seagull or a pelican. And we're going to go out in the ocean and play and rejoice that we have the health to do that, that we've been blessed. Well, let me make it personal, that I've been blessed. I feel so thankful that I've been blessed to have the health required to do what I'm about to do. I really hope that you guys will take your physical bodies seriously, realizing they are the temple of the Holy Spirit. And as my good friend Sal always reminds me, you can't serve God on earth if you don't have a physical body. So take care of it. You only get one. It's not a dress rehearsal. It's a one-act play. I really encourage all of you, especially you young people that haven't made the mistakes that us older people have made. Take care of your bodies. Feed them well. Give them exercise. Motion is lotion. Stop eating the junk. Stop drinking the junk. Think about what you're putting in your mouth, chewing up and swallowing. And realize that your body needs fuel. That's what it needs, fuel to function at its highest level of function. All right, that's my sermonette for this morning. So I'm going to go out and enjoy the level of fitness that my body has. 77 trips around the sun, open heart surgery 11 and a half months ago, crushed C1 and C2 in a surfing accident 6 years ago, and I'm still paddling out, as we say in surf lingo. So God bless you guys. Have a great day. Always remember, He loves you just because you are you, and that means He loves you whether you love Him or not. I hope you do love Him, and I hope you're sharing that love with other people that He sends across your path. God bless you guys. Have a great day. Well, there's my little toy. That's my little 8-foot Hydros Lifetime Kayak that I got at Tractor Supply for, what did I pay for this? I don't even think I paid $200 for this little boat. It's almost too small to call it a boat, but what it is it's certainly a fun machine for going out into the surf when the surf is small. I don't take it out when it's big, but pretty small this morning. So I'm going to go out and get a little workout, enjoy my little Hydros. See you out there. Well, that was fun. Took the little 8-footer out. There's a little swell out there still left over, so we had some fun. So what we're going to do now is we're going to take the Alaya. We're going to take the Alaya out into the surf. Now you're asking yourself, what the heck is he talking about? What's an Alaya? Well, that, my friends, is an Alaya, or a Paipo board. Now, Paipo is a Hawaiian term that comes from the root for stomach or belly, and applied to this board right here, it means belly board, something that you ride the surf with on your belly. And I've been making these for a couple of years now. I don't know, maybe 10 years now. So this is a fish-tailed Alaya, or Paipo, whatever you want to call it, with a concave nose. I love making these things, and I love riding them on my belly. Get into my belly. So that's what I'm going to go do now. I'm going to go take this one out in the glassy little surf that we have coming in out there, and I am going to have fun in the sun on my Aloha. Aloha. Aloha, you all.